welcome back to my channel. My name is Nevaeh. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this Glam Lunar New Year look for anyone who celebrates. Let's start. So the first step to any look is priming. So I'm going to be using a matte blurring primer from Cover FX. For foundation, I'm going to be using this one from L'Oreal all over my face.
That's the feeling that I got when I was making it. That's the feeling I get when I'm playing. It's a celebration of the sort of music I enjoy.
I'm going to be using the liquid part of this concealer to highlight any high points on my face and cover any blemishes. Next, to add warmth to my face, I'm going to be using a bronzer.
It wasn't a burning ambition. It only rather
I'm going to bake and set my face with a translucent powder. And now I'm just using a pencil to line the shape of my brows and fill them in. I'm going to set my eyebrows and color the hair with some dip brow gel from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Next, I'm just creating a wing with some liquid eyeliner. Now I'm just lining glitter around the wing. If you lost some of that liner, you can just fill it back in. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm going to add a touch of red by using a red pencil liner in the outer half of my waterline. And I'm applying mascara to the lower lashes. Next, I'm applying some wispy false eyelashes. Now I'm just adding some color to my face with some blush. Now to get some glow, I will be adding highlighter. this is a good tip for anyone who has frequent breakouts like me. You can use a brown lighter to cover up any pimples. Now I'm going to be using a burnt coral kind of color on my lips. And I'm applying a bright red shade to the middle of my lips to create a gradient look. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more. Bye bye!